For demonstration here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 5, 3 times 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 and plus 1 extra stitch 16 plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row, you can knit any body you want. So let's begin. This is first row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row first row right side. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Third row right side, again knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Now fourth row wrong side, again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now after 5 stitches and from fifth hole we make an extra loose loop and knit one. In this way we make from fourth hole, third hole, second and first hole and knit one 5 times. So we start this after 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and from fifth hole. After 5 stitches and from fifth hole, 1 2 3 4 5. From this hole make an extra loose loop like this and knit one. Accordingly we make 4 times more, make an extra stitch and knit one. From fourth hole make an loose extra stitch and knit one. 2 from third hole make an extra stitch and knit one. 3 second hole make an extra stitch and knit one. 4 from first hole and knit one 5. That's our repeat. Here we make an extra stitch and knit one 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. In this way we repeat this pattern till the end of row. So again after 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and from fifth hole we make an extra loose stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 from this hole make an extra loose stitch and knit one. Now from fourth hole make an extra loose stitch, knit one. 2 from third hole make an extra loose stitch, knit one. 3 from second hole make an extra stitch, knit one. 4 from first hole make an extra loose stitch and knit one. 5. Now one more time. After 5 stitches and from fifth hole, 1 2 3 4 5 make an extra loose stitch, knit one. 1 from fourth hole, knit one. 2 from third hole, knit one. 3 now from second hole, knit one. 4 from first, knit 1, 5. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern. Now last 2, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete now 6th row wrong side. Slip and starting of this pattern purl 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2 together. In this way, purl together, purl together, purl together till the end of row. Purl together, purl together, purl together, last edge, purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our half pattern is also completed. Now we again repeat the 6th row, but in this row we shuffle this pattern. Now this pattern goes here and this pattern goes here. So this is row 7 right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 9th row right side, knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Row 10 wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 11 right side, slip and starting of this pattern knit 3, 1, 2, 3. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now we again after 5 stitches make an extra stitch from 5th hole. After 5 stitches from 5th hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from this hole make an extra loose stitch and knit 1. Now from 4th hole make an extra loose stitch, knit 1, 2, from 3rd hole make an extra loose stitch, knit 1, 3, from 2nd knit 1, 4, from 1st knit 1, 5. That's a repeat 5 times. Make an extra loose stitch and knit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches? One more time. After 5 stitches from 5th hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from this hole make an extra loose stitch 1 and knit 1. From 4th knit 1, 2, from 3rd knit 1, 3, from 2nd knit 1, 4, from 1st knit 1, 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Row 11 is completed. Now row 12 wrong side. Slip as starting of this pattern pole 3, 1, 2, 3. From here we start our repeat pattern, pole together, pole together. In this way, last of this row we make pole together. Before 4 stitches, pole together, pole together, pole together. Last 4, pole 3, 1, 2, 3, pole edge from wrong side. Row 12 is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat these 1 to 12 rows, and after repetition of 12 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.